Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm Eric.
And I'm Janie.
We interrupt regular programming to bring you another COVID-19 edition of our vlog. Today we were looking for a place to hike, but all public areas are closed because they don't want to encourage any social gatherings. So here at this parking lot of the trailhead, it's closed. What are we to do? What do you think?
More cooking, of course.
All right, back to cooking.
Morning, Mama.
Morning, babe.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Janie.
Anyway, quick reminder, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that thumbs up button. Anyway, what are we having for brunch?
Why don't I make my special French toast recipe?
Ooh, that sounds really good.
Oh.
With fresh fruit?
Yes. And with your favorite icing sugar too.
Okay, why don't we show you guys how to make it? Let's go.
Today I will show you my special Kaya French toast recipe.
It's always good to have nice seasonal fruits. So today, we have strawberries, dragon fruit, and mango.
That's right. Also, it's very important that you get the thick toast, and it needs to be white toast. Also, eggs, of course, the Kaya jam. I choose the one no sugar added one, so up to you. If you like more sweet, you can choose the sugar added one. Butter, icing sugar, and maple syrup. Usually when I cut fruits, I have to look at the color. So I always cut the lightest color first, so then the other fruit does not get the color stain on it. So because this is white, I'll cut it first. So for dragon fruit, it's very easy to remove, you see? Look at that, isn't it? It's very satisfying. You want to try? Okay, your turn. Ooh. Okay, but because today normally I'll just leave it like this, but because today we're having French toast, so it's better to get the fruits a little bit smaller. So I usually cut it in half.
I don't know why Mom wants me to cut off all the crust. It's so weird. What's the purpose? And look at all this crust. It's such a waste. Where do I even put it?
While Kirsten is prepping the bread, I will prepare the egg for the French toast. One egg per set of toast. And I like to add a little bit of salt to the eggs. Here, Kirsten, whisk it. So now you dip the toast into the egg and soak it. Make sure you soak all two sides and also all four edges. So now, on to the important thing of frying the French toast. What you need is butter. But the important things of having about the butter is that besides the butter, I like to add a bit of oil to it. Because the burning temperature of butter is much lower than oil, that's why we need to add the oil into the pan as well to stop it from burning too quickly. frying the four edges of the toast because there was egg there, so to get the burning, to get this look. So at this time, I will add some fruits onto the plate. Brunch is served. So how's it, Kristen?
Since the kaya didn't have much sugar, I like that we had the icing sugar on top to make it like kind of sweetish. And I like how it's like nice and thick, and like it's kind of like soft on top, soft on bottom, and even softer in the center with the kaya. And it has a bunch of taste, and I really like it.
That was very good. In the middle, in between, we have kaya spread, and it adds a nice, interesting twist to the typical French toast. Kaya spread, I don't know what it is. It comes from Singapore. It was recommended by one of our friends. We'll show you the bottle. You can get it at TNT Asian stores. It's supposed to be quite popular in Singapore and in Hong Kong. But yeah, this is nice, nicely done, nicely pan fried.
Hey, what if we put in Nutella?
That could be interesting. We're gonna try that next time. Put Nutella instead of kaya in the middle. There's a bunch of different flavors, depending on what you like.
Hope you will enjoy my simple recipe. Please leave us some comments after you make it.
This is such an easy recipe. Everyone can try at home. Help flatten the curve. Stay at home because it's not that bad.
I figured out what to do with the bread crust. Feed it to the birds. We hope that you enjoyed our video from this week. And if you did, please stay tuned for next week when we're making pineapple cake back in Taiwan. And please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming food and travel adventures. Bye!
Greedy.
Oh.
Look how greedy this birdie is.
He's trying to get 6, but he has 5. I found a use for all these breadcrumbs.